When you think about our Māori ancestors arriving here, they came with a range of different skills. Because they came on waka, we know they must have had rope skills, they must have had plaiting skills for rāranga sails, and so they came with skills. When they arrived here, they were suddenly in a much bigger land, but a much colder land, a much wetter land, so in many ways their clothing had to change in order to meet the needs that they had here. So how long it took to learn which plants they could use and which they couldn't. We can see some of it in kia kia, for example, because the name that they gave kia kia shows that they recognised it as being similar to a particular type of pandanus, which I think is called ea ea. And so the leaves will have given them clues. They recognised the fruits, they're very similar and so on. So they didn't come with nothing. They came with a particular range of knowledge. And the process of adapting that to meet the new needs in a new country will have been quite outstanding.